So the EU, I think Apple and the EU are basically button heads, right? So the EU forced Apple to make the change with a USB Type-C. We all know. And they forced Apple to make some changes when it comes to privacy issues. Even apps, games, side loading, right? They forced Apple's hand on that to be able to side load apps. But Apple's getting a little payback. Apple's very petty. They're very heavy on the payback, even if it's a year later. And I think this is one of those certain instances where this is kind of payback to the EU. But they're claiming in the press that it's over privacy concerns, that they're not bringing Apple Intelligence, Apple AI to Europe. So we got word today that Apple AI will not work in Europe. So all that cool stuff that you saw them, that you've seen on YouTube, that you saw at the developers conference, all that cool stuff, it'll help you summarize this, that, it'll help you write those AI emojis, create AI emojis, not in Europe. So very interesting turn of events here. Check this out. So a tweet by Mark Gurman on Twitter said, Apple Intelligence, iPhone mirroring, and SharePlay screen sharing will not come to European Union. This is because of the Digital Markets Act, Apple says. Okay. Right. Very interesting here. So this incorporates millions upon millions of people. How much will you miss it? I don't know. I don't use my Galaxy AI that much. But interesting that Apple is kind of pulling their cord here. There's a little bit of get back, I'm sure, involved with this. So all of the details are here. I just thought, very interesting little turn of events. I just thought you might be interested in, right? Where are we at? Almost an hour? I think that's about it, right? Alright, I think that's about it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the giveaway. If you're watching, please enter the eSIM Studios YouTube channel. Scroll down to the chat, enter the chat if you want to participate. And we're going to do this one on the fly, not on the website here, but on the fly. We'll do one real quick. $25 Amazon gift card. Simply type hashtag gift card. Just like Ryan, whoops, not that one. Ryan did here. Hashtag gift card, and that'll get you entered. So if you're watching this on any of the other YouTube channels I'm streaming on, you need to come to our eSIM Studios YouTube channel, enter the chat, and then type in hashtag gift card. That'll get you an entry. Or on Twitter. If you're watching on Twitter, our link to our eSIM Studios YouTube channel is in our bio. Simply select that. Our live will pop up into our chat, hashtag gift card. I'll give you all a minute here. I'll let a couple more. Let's see. We'll wait about another 30 seconds. I'm actually going to move our website. The domain name will stay the same, but the actual host is going to be different. Allow for more robust experience for everybody. Because the one I'm at's fine, but I need a few more features that I need. So I'm going to move my content over. Let me see if I have any cool gadgets. And if you have a Samsung, I might have a case here I could give away too. Let me go see if I got anything in my closet. Hold on. We'll do the giveaway in about 30 seconds. Hang on. Yeah, we'll just do the gift card. All right, is everybody ready? Let's do this. Where is giveaway tool? All right, you ready? Let me share the screen here. Let's go. All right. Congratulations to you, sir. I have your email. I'll get with you behind the scenes in just a second and see what email you want me to send that to. I'll get that to you here in just I'll reach out in just a minute. That'll do it for today's episode, eSIM Studios podcast live stream, episode number 125, today, Friday, June 21st, 2024. Do appreciate the time. You can catch us every single day, every afternoon. We live stream and talk the headlines, what's going on in technology, and every afternoon, simply find us at eSIM Studios. You can just Google eSIM Studios. I think we kind of cornered the market on that name now. It's starting to reverberate all throughout search engines. So again, we'll see you same time, same place tomorrow, every single day, every afternoon, live tech talk. So appreciate the time. Please have a safe and enjoyable Friday afternoon. And moving into the weekend, we will see you tomorrow on hopefully a bright and sunny Saturday afternoon. Peace out, guys.